Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off System Haptics on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is an iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS, it is going to work all the same. So, haptics are types of a vibration. When you do something on your phone or someone calls you or someone sends you a message, you're going to get a notification, probably with a sound and with the haptics also, unless you have turned it off in the settings. And how to do this, we have a lot of videos on our channel about haptics with the different types of apps and so on, so be pleased to search for them and get to know how to do such things. So, system haptics are haptics when you, for example, turn on something like airplane mode, or maybe go to the control center and click like those switches. The system then, the iPhone then vibrates, but you can turn it off or turn it off by going to Sounds and Haptics, and then you're going to find System Haptics. So, from this time, if I'm going to click the switch, there is no vibration on the iPhone. There is no really the option that I can show you that it works, but trust me, that works. So now, if it's turned off, I do not have a vibration. If I turn it on, now I'm going the vibration. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!